Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this avocado toast with honey. It's an absolute life changer. I have this so many times for breakfast, it's amazing. So first up, spread some butter on some bread. I'm using this country grains bread, but you can use any type of bread that you like. I'm going to be toasting this on a pan, but you can also toast it on a toaster if you like. This 4-ingredient toast is actually really easy to make and very quick, and I'm sure you guys will love this recipe. You might think it's really weird to combine avocado with honey, but trust me, it's delicious. It's absolutely amazing, and it's a very healthy recipe too. It's really good for weight loss. Once you're done spreading the butter evenly onto the breads, you can put it on the pan on medium flame and let it toast for a while. You can also use a toaster if you'd like. If you want a more crunchy taste, use a toaster, but today I'm going with the pan. If you're using the toaster, you don't need to put the butter before. You can use the butter after. Flip the breads, making sure both sides are toasted evenly. The bread is now ready. Now it's time to cut the avocado. You can use a knife to remove the pit and cut the avocado. Now I'm going to remove the avocado from the skin and put it into a bowl. You can also directly put it into the piece of bread. Smash the avocado with a fork. If you'd like thick slices of avocado, then you can skip this step and put it onto the bread directly. Put the smashed avocado on the bread and spread it evenly. Now it's time to add the honey. I'm just going to drizzle some honey on top of the avocado. You can add more or less honey depending on your taste. You can also add some salt or pepper according to your taste. But I just like to eat it like this. Hope you guys like this recipe. If you do, make sure you give it a big like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click on the bell down below to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I post every single week. Bye!